Hello. Many of you don't know how to write an email to a teacher. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that. So you can email if you have some questions, or maybe you need to even send them an assignment through an email. So what we're going to do first is go right here to the top right. We call this a waffle because it kind of looks like a waffle. If I click on it, it has all of these things that I use all the time. Here's my calendar, Google Classroom, Gmail. So I'm going to click on Gmail, but I'm already here. When I'm on Gmail, these are all my messages. I have a ridiculous amount, 549 messages, because I have another email account that I use. So you might have less than that. My goal is to delete all the ones I don't need, but that's taking some time. What I'm going to do is go to the top left and push compose. And on that, I'm going to pretend that I'm going to send an email to Miss Gowan. That email pops up. There's a huge address book that you can use if you need somebody's email. I'm going to put a subject. So I'm going to pretend I'm going to ask when I can pick up a Chromebook. And so my subject is Chromebooks. Then I'm going to try to use correct grammar and punctuation. So I'm going to say, "Hi, Miss Gowan. When is Doig open again so I can get a Chromebook? Thanks, Miss Pena." Okay, and then I'm going to click send. I'll just send it to her. I'll let her know just to ignore me. Okay, so I'm going to click send. That email was sent. If you want to know what was sent, then you can click over here. You have all these different file folders basically, and I click on sent, and you could see that my email was sent there. So I want to make sure, students, that you know how, here, it's very large, that you know how to send an email. So if you have a question from a teacher, all you need to do is open your Gmail account, go to Gmail, and click on compose, and that will send the email directly to the teacher. But you need to remember to send it, to check your email. So your teacher, if they answer you, they're going to answer you an email. So make sure you do that. As always, if you have any questions, email me or somehow get in contact with us, and we are happy to help you. Thank you.